This video will show you how to perform steering angle sensor calibration using the Smart Diagnostic system. The procedure in your vehicle will be the same as in this video. After successfully linking the SDS to your vehicle, select Workshop Tools. Then Steering Angle Sensor Calibration. Chassis Controls. Anti-lock brake system. ABS initialization. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the procedure. Finish. That's how to perform steering angle sensor calibration. For more information, visit Innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.